It's been 3 years since I started using the CeraVe Facial Moisturizing Lotion PM version, and I'm currently on my third bottle, so needless to say, I really like this particular facial lotion. I have oily combination skin, so originally I did try to use the CeraVe Moisturizing Cream, which is this big tub right here. I thought it would be a good value, but unfortunately it was just a little too heavy for my oily skin. I just felt like it was a little bit too suffocating. So that was when I did a little bit more research and found this facial moisturizing lotion PM, which is much more lightweight, oil free, and a little bit more geared for people with oily or combination skin like myself. I do appreciate the simple ingredients in CeraVe products and the relatively inexpensive and easy to find in drugstores and grocery stores. And this particular one is also non-comedogenic, fragrance free, and has niacinamide to help with any sensitivity issues. And all the key ingredients and key information that's shown on the box can also still be found on the label on the bottle itself, so feel free to throw away the box. Again, this is their PM version. They have an AM version with a little bit of SPF, but personally I don't want SPF in my moisturizer. I'd rather have something separate for that. The recommended instructions is to use it at night after you've cleansed, but honestly it's so lightweight you can also use it as your morning moisturizer as well. What I really like about the bottle design is the pump. It's very efficient and you get just the right amount each time. For me, just 2 pumps is able to cover my entire face. So portion control is there. That's why I was able to just go through roughly 1 bottle a year. There's no mess, there's no worry of spills. The viscosity of the lotion is perfect. After I'm done, I just need to do a quick twist to lock it to prevent any accidental pumps. The lotion is super easy to apply. Here's a quick comparison of me applying it to just one of my hands, and you can see that there's a slight sheen after application thanks to the hyaluronic acid, which is the ingredient that really helps lock in the moisture. The sheen is very natural and it will slowly disappear over time. So if you have oily combination skin like myself and have been struggling to find an inexpensive moisturizer, give this one a shot. I know it says for normal to dry skin, but because of how lightweight it is, I think this is great for people with oily or combination skin. And the packaging is perfect. It's a 3 fluid ounce. It's travel friendly and it easily fits into any bag. The locking cap is great to prevent spills. It's just overall a really great product I think you should consider. As usual, I have the link to where you can purchase it on Amazon, which is usually a lot cheaper than in store. And also leave any questions in the comments. I'd be happy to answer them. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more videos like this.